What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 early NFT projects that has a huge potential, and the best part about them, they're free mint NFT projects. But before I'm going to show you the project, I'm going to ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter. I would really appreciate that. And one more thing, everything that I'm going to state in this video is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before purchasing any NFTs. First project, it's called Yin Yang Gang, and this is free mint, coming soon. The revolution is upon us. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this was posted 8 hours ago. Looks like this could be whitelist giveaway or something like that. They got 2,000 likes, 1,400 retweets and 1,400 comments. And if we scroll down here, as you can see, they actually already collabing with the Mason Ghost, and looks like this is also could be another whitelist giveaway. They have almost 5,000 likes, 4,000 retweets and 2,500 comments. And then if we scroll down, yeah, looks like that was actual whitelist giveaway, because they stated right here, you will be considered. Usually when they do that, they mean for whitelist. And then there is another, like a little teaser here. Same thing, is getting a lot of interaction, almost 10,000 likes, 6,000 retweets and 45 or 4,600 comments. And there is more art. And then next project, it's called Satoshi Mystery, free mint. Satoshi Mystery takes possession of your own hash rate, turn on notifications, otherwise you'll miss on all the fun. Again, very early project. At this time they only have 1,800 followers, and if we scroll down, this is one of their posts. They're doing 50 free mints for the community, and it's not too late to actually get whitelist spot. If we scroll down more, there is another post, like a receipt for pizza or for whatever it is, and there is a QR code, and if you'll scan this QR code, this little is not going to take you anywhere. It's just a false path. That's what it says on this QR code. And for that many followers that they have already, it's actually getting quite a bit of interaction on their Twitter posts. So this is another good project to follow. Looks very interesting, and I'm gonna keep eye on it. The last project, it's called theseventhring, an immersive story-driven game experience. Entry is a free mint, limited supply, so they don't have a whole lot of information about if it's gonna be like a game, play to earn, or what kind of project is gonna be. They joined in July, so just recently. So far they only have 2 posts. One was on the 23rd and the other one was 10 hours ago, and they don't even have 1,000 followers. So it's a very early project that I'm gonna be keeping my eye on, because at this stage I don't think it's hard to get a whitelist spot as long as you engage with their Twitter posts, like, retweet, and maybe leave a comment. Only the more are granted access to the temple, and if we play it, there's not a whole lot. It's just background is changing on that little teaser. And this is it. They also got quite a bit of interaction here. They have over 1,000 likes, almost 400 retweets and 200 comments. So this is another very early free mint project that I'm gonna be keeping my eye on, because I think it has potential in the future. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.